Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes, and I want to show you today how to use your battery disconnect. It looks just like this when you walk in any floor plan. It's going to be on the left-hand side when you walk in the motorhome. This disconnects the power from your batteries that are right here underneath the stepwell that control all of the 12-volt usages of this motorhome. It also will kill the power to your AC, and you may be asking, why the AC? It runs off 110. Well, the AC runs through a thermostat that runs off 12 volts, so it will kill the power to your AC as well. To be able to turn this off, you just swivel it to the left. You'll notice all the lights in the motorhome are going to go off. This is what you want to do when you leave the motorhome, providing you do not want the AC running. Now, we do have an external light for this video, but you'll notice when I swivel this, all the lights go off. Now, everything has been disconnected from those batteries, and you're not going to have that battery draw while you're away from the motorhome. When you return, flip this back on, and everything that you had on before will resume as it was running before you turned that battery off in terms of lights.